Hi everyone, welcome to week 1 of the Geographies of Material Culture module. The film we're watching this week is short. It's really short. It's about 2 minutes long. It's kind of like a fashion advert, but also an activist film at the same time. It was produced shortly after the Rana Plaza garment factory complex collapsed in Bangladesh. You'll know about this, I'm sure. And it just tries to draw the attention of fashion consumers to the people who make our clothes. And it does this in a really specific and very tactile way. It kind of collapses the distance between where consumers live and where producers live and puts them in the same kind of space. It's been very widely watched and shown in some very, very fancy locations. And its fanciness is actually really fascinating when we're trying to work out what it is that the filmmakers were trying to do, who they were and who they were trying to influence, how this film was discussed and what, if any in this case, impacts it seems to have had. So I want you to think about the effect that it has on you. How does it make you feel? But for example, what does it make you think about your clothes or about anything else? What happens now when you look in the mirror? And this is the week where you guys start to get used to the format of the module. I'm giving you a video to watch. You can watch it alone or with your breakout group if you like. There are some questions to answer while you watch this. I've asked you to summarize your answers to the questions, to flesh them out, before you then go to the Follow the Things website and read the page on handprint to look at how it was made, the discussions and impacts. And then from that reading, you construct your first Cinematrix, and there are some examples to look at on the page. And after that, there's some academic reading, which I'd really like you to do. The film is really short this week, so there is time to read, I would hope, at least 2 of the readings that are recommended. 1 is fine, 2 is brilliant. So I hope you find this introduction to the module fascinating. This is the video that I've been using for a few years now, just to explain to people what this research, what this pedagogy is all about. It does it in a nutshell. Later on in the module, we'll be watching 90-minute movies, but let's just get used to what the format and what it is we're studying before we start kind of getting into all of the details. So have a good week, everybody.